see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Tulog pa yung birthday girl natin. Ha? Good afternoon, guys. Nakapag-nap ako na siguro mga 1.5 hours. Kaya ayan, parang mukha na tayong tao. And it's Holly's birthday. Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na?
Tatlo. Tatlo was 3.
Yes, tatlo is 3. Yay! So, ang gagawin namin...
I want my strawberries now.
You want a strawberry. So, ang gagawin namin, ihanda ko na yung munting salo-salo sa birthday ni Holly. What we gonna do, Baba? Ha? Gagawin ko yung
Strawberries!
Yeah, magpa-fried chicken ako, tapos spring rolls, tapos kagabi gumawa na ako ng nagluto ng, yes, Baba?
Only that for
Oo, hinugasan ko na kasi yung mga strawberries. Nagluto na ako ng pansit kasi yun din yung dinner namin kagabi. So, may tira pa. So, yun na yung handa ni Holly. Yung pansit bihon. Okay? What we got, Baba? Strawberries? Oh, wait. Watch for your clothes, okay? So, eto yung Okay, wait. Eto yung strawberries. Ayan. Dinadry ko lang. Kasi, ididip natin to sa
Strawberries, guys.
chocolate. And what color you want?
This pink.
This one, what color you want for your strawberry?
Pink.
Pink. So, gagawa tayo ng pink dip para sa kanyang strawberry. Okay? So, i-prepare ko lang yung ating handa ni Holly. What color is this?
Pink. Oh, my favorite pinks.
Okay, Mama will do it because we only need konti. Konti lang yung kailangan. Konti.
Can I fry?
Okay, a little bit.
Yeah. Yummy.
So, nag-melt ako ng
It's so yummy, Dad.
chocolate. And maglalagay akong konting drop ng food coloring na pink. Ooh. Okay,
What's that
mix, Baba.
now?
Mix.
How mix?
Okay. Mix it properly, okay? Careful.
Mix.
Okay. Mix it properly, please.
I like pink one.
I know you do.
Now let's fry this pink.
No. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay? Eto, pwede itong gawin ahead of time.
Guys.
Pero hindi ko talaga ginawa kahapon kasi gusto ko ma-involve si Holly. Kasi para maging memorable ang kanyang birthday. Okay, Papa. I'll mix it first and then I give it to you, okay?
I'm a finger.
Excuse me. Okay, wait, Baba. I'll mix it first and then I'll give it to you. Thank you. Wow, what color is this now, Baba?
Let's try that pink. Now you're faster.
Yeah. Ayan, pakita lang muna natin. Ayan, meron na tayong kulay. What color?
Pink, let's try.
Ay, gusto niyang i-try. Kasama na yan dito sa aming pagluluto. Yeah. Okay, now. Eto, hindi ko tinanggal yung eto kasi eto yung magiging hawakan ko para idip yung chocolate. Ay, chocolate. Idip sa, sa chocolate. And, wait, Baba. We're just gonna do like this. Dip. Wait, Papa. Wait, can I borrow your spatula? Oh, that's enough. That's enough. You're gonna have this later. Okay. Wait, Papa. Wait. Okay, wait. We're gonna cover the strawberry first. Ooh. Okay, wait, Papa. Oh, wait.
Mama,
Excuse me.
I did pop off.
How did you?
Yeah.
Narinig ko nga. Ayan. So, ayan, meron na tayong pink strawberry. So, ilagay lang natin dito sa...
There.
Ayan. Wait, that's enough, Baba. Because you don't have enough for your, So, excuse me. Siya si Tikim lang talaga siya.
This is so yummy, guys.
So, gagawin ko lang to and pagkatapos nito magluluto ako ng fried chicken.
How to wash this?
Yeah. Do you want to dip the strawberry? Do you want to try? Like this?
Yeah, I will mix that when I fry that.
You cannot try it because kailangan ko pa itong ilagay sa ref para tumigas siyang konti or mag-set. Okay, you wanna try? Okay, no, try to dip the strawberry here. Go like this, you hold this one. Can I have this? Okay, hold this one. Maybe yung isa na lang. Ito. Hold, no, hold yan. Okay, then dip. Okay. Careful. Okay. Ako na. Birthday niya naman. Good? Okay, you can have this one. Okay? So, tapusin ko lang to. And, mag-move on na tayo sa cooking, Baba. Okay, wait, Baba. Wait, I'll dip this first.
Now it's chocolate. I like chocolate.
Tapos ko nang malagyan ng chocolate coated yung strawberry.
Finished, guys.
It's finished. No, siya na may siya na ang may pasimot-simot na siya. So ilagay ko lang 'to sa ref para set yung chocolate sa strawberry and then nagtira ko ng white chocolate para i-drizzle ko mamaya. So yan, lagay natin 'to sa ref, Baba. Magpo-fried na ako ng spring rolls at saka chicken and hugasan ko yung mga fruits and eto ikat natin yung watermelon. Are you excited for your birthday?
This for my four babies. For my birthday.
That's not strawberry, that's blueberries.
That is for my blueberry for my birthday, guys. This for my birthday.
What's that?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Are you excited?
And what's this?
What's
Grapes.
grapes? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's cook. Magluto na muna ako. Pinapainit ko na yung oil. Eto, kagabi, nagluto ako ng spring rolls. So, eto pa yung gagamitin ko. And yung pansit pala. Tinawagan siya ng daddy niya. Where's your camera, Papa? Wait. Here. That one. Nagluluto pa ako ng spring roll.
Hello.
Eh, nakat ko na yung mga fruits. And eto, naugasan ko na.
What is making watermelon? What's the time?
Later pa.
Later. Mom, wash can work now. We didn't put the battery in.
Oh, that's good.
Holly,
Yes.
how old are you?
Okay.
No, how old are you?
Hello.
Tatlo is what? Tatlo is?
3.
3.
I don't like this.
Where's all your balloons?
Over there. I just punch it.
Did you understand her, Han?
Didn't touch it.
Punch. She's been punching it.
Sweeties.
Mom, what can you show your face on there?
Later, call me. I will surprise you.
And I'm out on my face.
Oh, Auntie Mel rang.
Ah.
Oh, tomorrow, Auntie Mel will be here tomorrow.
And Uncle Jace.
And Uncle Jace. Ayan yung spring roll.
And on my face. I just take it. I'll sit on the couch.
Okay, sit on the couch. Careful.
Hold this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Upo raw siya sa couch. Okay, go.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Doon muna siya habang nagluluto ako dito. Luto na yung chicken tsaka yung spring rolls. And ayan na yung mga fruits. Isi-set up ko na to doon sa table. May table ako doon. Yes, Baba?
And the talking's finished.
Yes.
Showtime. Hey! Hello, my pink boss, I died. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
My pink boss,
Kung mapapansin nyo, wala kaming bisita at wala kaming darating na bisita kasi nga, hindi na...
Say hi, guys.
Because we don't have to, because we already did, Baba, when we...
Do it for babies.
Yeah, when we did the store. Bakit daw hindi ako hi, guys. So, yun nga, wala namang planong, wala naman talagang planong mag-party si Holly. Kasi nga, una-una, wala yung mga...
And Dad, look.
Wala yung mga kuya niya and si Jan kasi nga, last golf lesson na nila, last golf lesson na nila this weekend kasi tapos na yung term and kailangan na nilang i-spend din yung mga nakuha nilang tokens and next term hindi sila magi-enroll kasi nga busy na si Jan, may work na si Jan, so kaya pumunta sila doon and tinupad ko lang yung pangarap ni Holly na magkaroon ng magkaroon ng pink what? magkaroon ka na ng pink?
Pink birthday.
So yung guys, so sana ma-enjoy.
one.
Are you happy?
Yay!
Are you really, really happy?
Yes.
Is this your pink birthday?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, Baba.
Mom made this.
Huh?
Mom made it for me.
Yes, I did because Mommy loves you. You love Mommy?
This is the best. Mine is best friend, Dad's best friend, your best friend, Dad's best friend,
I'm your best friend
and Dad's best friend.
and Daddy's best friend. Ah, ako daw ang best friend niya tsaka si Daddy. Okay, kain na muna kami, guys. Okay, so yan ang kanyang pink birthday.
Showtime!
Masaya na siyang may showtime. Sabi ko, di ba kakain na kami? Sabi niya, i-on ko daw yung TV.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that gay button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's go to town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all
I'm gonna show Dad.
Yeah, we're gonna show this to Daddy.
And Clear.
Yes.
And Zach.
Yeah. Nag-request siya another showtime, yung ano ba, yung opening. So, ayan. Iba naman tong, ayan siya, showtime. Ibang opening naman to. Hindi pa kayo kumakain, no? Ginaganahan siya. Ayan, ang sayaw, oh. Ito yung arte-arte niya magsayaw. Oh, emote. In the middle, Papa. Wala akong pakialam, Mami.
I'll show you that.
Yeah, we will show it to Daddy.
And I'll show you that.
Kuya sa. Yes.
On this one.
Pangatlong showtime and hindi pa rin kami kumakain. Ganado si Holly sumayaw. So, gutumin muna natin siya. Pero kumukuha na siya ng blueberries. Mauubos niya na yung blueberries.
My favorite blueberries.
Sabi ko, wag muna siyang kakain ng lollies hanggat hindi kami kumakain ng pansit at saka chicken. No, we have to eat pansit first and then chicken and then
Exactly eat this.
kuya sa later. Lagi yung sinasabi kuya sa. Opening na. Yan lagi yung hinihintay niyo sa showtime, yung opening. Oh.
What's this movie?
That's not movie, Baba. They're gonna dance. Showtime.
I'll print it out. Isa na lang natira. Last one. No more.
No more.
And then last one here.
Next, yes. Careful. No lollies.
Here.
Yeah, just grapes.
This.
No, later that one, Baba.
And this.
It's finished now. Pangatlo mo na yan na opening, Baba. Let's eat now?
And the last one.
Another one? Okay, another one daw. Pagbigyan ang hiling ng birthday girl. Another one. Are you tired dancing? No, you love dancing, Baba. What show is this one?
Showtime.
Showtime! You love Showtime? Yeah. Ubus niya na yung isang spring roll. Ubus niya na yung, blueberries.
Blueberries.
Oh, no. That's a spring roll. Are you happy even we don't have visitors?
Yeah.
Why?
What's up?
Because what?
Here's a best friend.
I'm your best friend. Okay. And
My cake.
basta may cake siya. And we are watching
Showtime.
Showtime. You like Showtime?
Last one time.
Oh, last one pa daw humihirit si birthday girl. Pang ilan mo na to? Pang-apat?
I will do P6.
Pang-apat niya na to. Wait, Baba. Siya daw mag-press. Okay, press.
Okay. I'll get in the middle.
Okay.
Can't see.
Alright. Okay. Okay. Tap for
Did
mommy.
it.
Good girl. Mag-opening ulit siya ng
I'll get
Showtime.
it. That was a butterfly.
Hindi rin makita ang butterfly. Okay, show your butterfly.
And
Okay.
look me.
Okay.
Zoom made a butterfly like this.
Oh, butterfly like that? Okay.
See? I tried in the side.
You
Quack,
are...
quack, quack.
Oh, that's a frog?
Nice. That's a butterfly.
Butterfly? Wow! Pretty butterfly. Yes. Are you happy, Bobo? Ilan taon ka na?
Yes.
Ilan taon ka na? Anong
Yes, po.
Ilan taon ka na?
Yes,
No.
po.
Ilan taon ka na?
Showtime.
No. Ilan taon ka na?
What are you saying?
Di ba alam mo yan? Ilan taon ka na?
He's saying
Ilan taon ka na po? O, Baba, oh.
dalawang.
No, it's you're not dalawa. Oh, ayan na yung Showtime opening now. Itinanggal niya yung butterfly niya. Oh. Akin ang remote.
Oh, sorry.
Tagalog yung song. Akin na yung remote. Baba, give me the remote, please. So you can dance properly. Okay, dance now, Ta.
That's so good.
Look out so good.
Yeah. I know freeze.
Yes. Ay, wow. Wow! Na-miss niya na lahat ng steps na lahat ng opening na napanood niya. Wow! Ay, ang cute mo, Papa. Oh, may pa. Oh, Mommy, careful. May pa-headbang kasi itong sayaw na to eh.
I hit you.
Mahilo ka na niyang, Baba. Mahilo ka nga.
I'll say that.
Yeah, we will show it to Daddy. All your dancing. Yay! Finish. Let's eat, Baba.
And one more.
No, that's it na, Baba. I'm
One more,
hungry.
please.
I'm hungry.
One more.
Oh my God.
I'll
Gutom
do it.
na ako, guys.
I'll do it again.
Okay, last
I'll-
one, ha?
I'll
Promise, ha?
test it.
Last
I'll
one.
test
I'm
it.
so hungry. And
I'll
the food
test it.
is getting
I'll
cold.
press it.
Alis muna, wait.
press
Yeah,
it.
wait. I will find... Okay, press.
I can't.
Buti na lang may lipstick ako dahil kung wala akong lipstick, maputla na ako sa gutom. Okay, put it there, Baba. Akin na.
What is it?
No, akin na.
Oh, look at this thing.
Huh?
I have tape on it.
Oh, dilaan
I
niya,
just put in my hands.
dilaan niya daw yung icing ng, dumikit sa balloon.
It's so lovely.
You're so cute. You like your birthday?
Yes. I don't like this song.
You don't like the song?
Because I like this song. I like this song. I like the song.
You want a girl song? That's our last one, Baba. We're gonna eat, okay? Later again. Pagtsagaan mo na lang yung song na yan. Pawis ka na.
Can I say?
You like that song?
No, I just wrote.
Kuya Sak like that one. Old Town Road.
No, I just take horsey.
Okay,
It's a
horsey.
horsey.
Okay, that's a horsey. Okay.
Now we made this spinner. A unicorn.
Unicorn.
Like,
That's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
yeah, that is when we buy this.
Someone's gave that to us.
Filipinos.
Not Philippines, Japan. Japan.
No, Papa.
No, Papa.
Lola.
Not Lola.
Yeah, Lola.
Philippines, Japan nga.
Filipinos.
Not Philippines. Yeah, finished.
Last.
No more. We're gonna eat na baba. I'm
Yeah.
so hungry.
Wait.